All right, so commonly asked question is single hand versus rig welder. And I have personally had the pleasure of doing both. I'll just name off some of the things, what makes them different, maybe some pros and cons. So as far as single hand goes, there's a lot less, I would say, worry and like wear and tear on your vehicle. And as far as what I mean by worry is a company's providing tools, welding machine, lead, all that kind of good stuff. Whereas like with a rig, you have to supply everything yourself. So you need your own grinders, welding lead, stinger, TIG rig, torch set, yada, yada, yada. And then as far as wear and tear in a vehicle, single hand, you just gotta drive to the job and get there. Versus rig welder, you're working out of your truck every day, beating and banging, rocks, mud, slinging, whatever the case may be. It wears down on your vehicle a lot more than just driving to and from a parking lot, actually working out of it. And some things to take into consideration and think about is pulling a fifth wheel. I know me personally, whenever I'm not using my truck as a rig truck, it's easy to pull the camper behind me because I take my skid out of my tub, hook the camper up, go to the job, no big deal. Whereas with rig welding, if I've got my skid in my truck, I've got to situate it a certain way, or sometimes I just have a buddy, I'll pay them to pull my camper for me to the job just because it's not worth the hassle. I'll just throw the skid in the truck, I'll take off, he'll pick up the camper, take it there for me. Again, these are just some of the differences and I guess you'd say pros and cons of both. Over the years, I acquired a lot of my stuff for my rig welding at work or just at different welding shops here and there as far as like welding lead, maybe some consumables they were gonna toss out like grinding rocks and whatnot, grinders, wire wheels, extra stingers maybe they were getting rid of. I didn't start out rig welding. I started out single hand in the plants, saved my money up, bought the truck, saved more money up, bought the tools and everything, threw it together, then went and dived in on that side of the industry. But yeah, I hope that helped out. There's some differences in the single hand and rig.
So hopefully you guys like this video. We'll be putting out more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to that. And also check out our website. We have links and we also have shop for clothing and a virtual tour. Until next time, see you there.